Hey, this is lesson 8.3, multiplying radicals. The big idea here is that we're just simplifying. That's what we want to do. We want to simplify what we are given down as far as we can go. Again, this borrows on a lot of skills you already have. So looking at example 1, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the numbers first. So the number on the outside of my radical, I've got 5 times 4, and 5 times 4 is 20. Now we're going to look at the numbers on the inside. I have 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So I have 20 square root of 6. Now, the only other thing we have to look at is what's under my radical. Can that be simplified? No, it cannot. So this is my final answer. And that's all there is to multiplying radicals. So again, looking at example 2, I'm going to multiply anything on the outside of my radical first. In this case, I don't have anything, so we're just going to multiply the inside. 3 times 12, that would be the square root of 36. Can I simplify that? Yep, the square root of 36 is 6, which would be my final answer. Looking at number 3, again, we're just multiplying what's on the outside first, so I have an x. Okay, now multiplying my radicals. 3 times 8 is 24. X times x is x squared. Now we're going to simplify. So let's do a factor tree for 24. That's going to be 12 and 2, and 4 and 3, 2 and 2. So 2 times, I can pull out a 2. So I have x times 2. And then what's the square root of x squared? That's another x. And under my radical, I have 3 times 2. So I'm left with 2x squared, square root of 6 as a final answer. It's just the process of working through all the simplification as much as you can. All right, let's take a look at example 4. Example 4, I've got 9 times 4 times the square root of 25. So I'm going to end up with what on the outside of my radical? Well, a 4, because I've got 4 times 1. And then on the inside, I have the square root of 225. Now, the square root of 225, I'm going to have 25 and 9. And the square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 9 is 3, so that would be 15. 4 times 15 is 60. This is one way I can do this problem. I multiplied and then I simplified. You can do it the opposite direction as well. I can simplify first. So for instance, we all know the square root of 9 is 3. And I have times 4. What's the square root of 25? 5. So now I have 3 times 20. And 3 times 20 is 60. Notice that I get the same answer either way. It's just a matter of, did I catch the simplification first or not? And that's the gist of multiplying radicals. Don't worry though, we're going to come back and do some more examples